Have you ever walked into an outdoor store planning to buy one thing and somehow walked out $300 for what? The truth is, the hiking industry is really good at convincing us we need a bunch of gear that we'll actually probably never use. Today, I'm going over some of the most overrated hiking gear out there. But before anyone gets upset, this isn't me saying these items are bad. They're just things that most hikers can skip, especially if you're just getting started. Let's save you some money and weight. Number 1. Giant survival kits. The first thing you probably don't need is one of those giant survival kits. You know, the ones that are packed with 75 different tools you'll probably never touch. Most of them include cheap versions of gear you'd be better off buying individually. Instead, carry a simple first aid kit, lighter, a small knife, and a headlamp. It's lighter, cheaper, and you'll actually know where everything is. Number 2. Huge fixed blade knives. Unless you're filming a survival TV show, you probably don't need a giant knife hanging from your belt. For hiking, you're usually cutting food, opening packages, or maybe trimming a piece of cord. A tiny pocket knife or multi-tool does all of that while just weighing a few ounces. Number 3. Camp axes. Camp axes look cool. They make you feel like you're ready to survive in the wilderness. But if you're backpacking, they're mostly just extra weight. Most places don't even allow collecting firewood. And if you're using a camp stove, you won't need one anyway. Number 4. Massive flashlights. A lot of people still bring giant handheld flashlights. Instead, get a lightweight headlamp. A headlamp keeps both hands free for cooking, setting up camp, or finding gear in your backpack. Once you switch, you'll probably never go back. Number 5. Heavy multi-tools. I love multi-tools, but most hikers only use the knife. If you're carrying a full-size multi-tool with pliers, saws, screwdrivers, and 10 other tools, ask yourself, how many of these do I actually use? A lightweight knife is enough for most hikes. Number 6. Giant water bottles. Some people carry huge metal water bottles because they look tough, but stainless steel bottles are heavy. Plastic water bottles or lightweight hiking bottles do the same exact thing while saving you a surprising amount of weight. Number 7. Extra changes of clothes. This one hurts. Most beginners pack way too many clothes. 3 shirts, 4 pairs of socks, extra pants, another hoodie, and before long, your backpack weighs a ton. Instead, wear one set, sleep in another if needed, and embrace being a little dirty. Number 8. Giant portable speakers. This one might be a little controversial. Portable speakers aren't just extra weight. They also take away one of the most incredible parts of hiking, the sound of nature. If you really want music, earbuds are usually the better choice, especially if you're around other hikers. Number 9. Heavy camping chairs. I know, camping chairs are comfortable. But if you're trying to keep your pack lighter, they're one of the easiest things to leave behind. You can sit on a foam pad, a log, a rock, or a bear canister if you're camping in bear country. Your back might complain a little bit, but your shoulders will thank you. Number 9. Every just-in-case item. This is probably the biggest mistake hikers make. They pack things because they might need them. An extra flashlight, extra batteries for the extra flashlight, 5 extra meals, 3 backup lighters, and eventually, your backpack is filled with gear that will never leave your bag. Pack for what you're actually going to do and not every possible scenario. Here's the thing, none of these items are immediately bad. If you love carrying a camping chair, bring it. If your giant knife makes you happy, bring it. Hiking is supposed to be fun, but if you're trying to save money, lighten your pack, or make hiking easier, these are some of the first things I would leave at home. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing, and drop a comment with your favorite tip, something you learned, or even what your backpacking background looks like. I'd honestly love to hear stories and experiences outdoors. Click this video on your screen if you want to see 10 hiking mistakes you probably make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys out on trail.